Hi people, my name is Léandre. I'm from Burundi. Recently, I am living in Croatia. This is Open Mind Conversation. Open Mind Conversation is podcast for for me and for you and for everyone. We met with friends and we try to exchange life in Croatia, life in our country, as foreigners, as local. So today I have a special guest. He's called Mr. Jan, and he is going to share with me some story, some fun story, as well as today we are on Christmas Day, so we have to exchange many things about Christmas party in Croatia, Christmas party when you are coming from in your country. I can also share with you Christmas party in my country, how it look like. So you are welcome.
Thank you so much. Ok, hvala puno. Ja ću većinom pričati na hrvatskom jeziku, ali tu i tamo isto ću odgovoriti na engleskom.
Okay.
I da, uglavnom, ja se zovem Jan, imam 22 godine, pa tu živim već 3,5 godine i porijeklo sam Kurd. A ne znam koliko vas znaju o Kurdima, ali mogu ukratko o njima pričati. Ja sam zapravo rođen u Alepo u Siriji, ali Kurdi su podijelili na 4 dijela zemlje, odnosno Turska, Iran, Sirija i Irak. A mi smo oko 50 milijuna tu na svijetu, a većinom od nas su podijeljeni po cijelom svijetu. I mislim, široka je povijest, ali ukratko nemamo svoje zemlje.
Hvala puno. Slušao sam kurdski, on kaže kurdski.
Da, kurdski.
Kurdski, ali nisam znao gdje je ugravljeno kurdski. Da, drago mi je.
Pa da, mislim, Kurdi su podijeljeni, kao što sam rekao, na 4 zemljama, ali sada živi po cijelom svijetu, onako. Da.
Okay, that's good. I have one question for you. I was asking you something in English and you tried to speak Croatian. How did you learn Croatian language?
Kako sam naučio hrvatski jezik, I learned Croatian when I came here and kroz društvo sam većinom naučio hrvatski jezik, nisam išao često na tečaje gdje mogao sam naučiti hrvatski, nego sam većinom se družio sa ljudima. I have met a lot of people from Croatia and I just was hearing them how they are talking all day and it was for me actually I'm very talented with the languages because I speak 6 languages.
Bravo.
And I learned Croatian very faster than accepted because sometimes when I think about it, I don't know how I learned Croatian, but I know the exact answer that I met a lot of people from Croatia and I learned from them a lot of things. And that's why I'm very thankful because I have a lot of friends iz Hrvatske, pa to mi je jako drago.
Ok, to je dobro. Ja isto, na primjer, išao sam u natječaj, ali sada je kao pola mogu govoriti nešto i pola ne znam, to je, znaš, mene uvijek kada govorimo želim okrenuti engleski kada ne razumijem dobro ili isto engleski, ali ti si najbolji oni kažu učitelj.
Nisam učitelj, nego znam pričati, a još mi uvijek fali hrvatski, mislim, još uvijek sam u procesu, ali još uvijek učim. A ti isto dobro govoriš hrvatski, samo trebaš negdje pričati, ne trebaš nikada prebaciti na englesku. Ako baciš na engleskom, zapravo većinom Hrvati vole pričati na engleskom i onda to je onako Ok, ništa nećeš naučiti hrvatski.
Da. I znam zbog ja ima neke prijatelje gdje živim, ali je kao uvijek oni kaže ćemo učiti, ali nema, uvijek ne uči. Ali ja mogu pokušati malo, ali isto, na primjer, prvo put išao sam na tečaj, kao 1,5 godina, ali nije uvijek, znaš, ponekad i ja sam mogu biti, kako kaže, to be sick, umoran, ili još put ja sam na posla, to je to, ali što znam, moram pokušati učiti i isto puno put koristim mobitel. Na primjer, ja mogu misliti nešto, neke priča, i onda ja ću napiši u moja mobitel i onda ja ću znati, aha, ovo je Gragora, ovo je uzmi, ovo je početi, ovo je nešto, malo po malo. I onda kada idem na tečaj, je malo lako učiti.
Ok, pa to je cool. Mislim, kada učiš zapravo hrvatski jezik moraš biti jako naporan i uporan. Kad kažem naporan, moraš biti sa ljudima iz Hrvatske naporan, jer većinom ljudi vole pričati na engleskom, a poanta nije to, nego moramo mi isto naučiti hrvatski jezik i zbog toga moramo biti naporni, a uporni u smislu da moramo dati se od sebe da možemo naučiti i da pokazati da mi možemo to. Jesi razumio?
Ti si bolje, ti govoriš kao papiga.
Pa ne, onako, ok.
Do you know maybe some people like you that you can refer? For example, when I am comparing me and some friend, it can give me more energy because I can see people who are not learning Croatian language. Also, I can see some people who are learning so much. So sometimes I am trying to refer to someone. How do you do in your life to do something?
Okay, if I understand your question well, so I don't compare myself with other people, because if I compare myself with other people, I will never learn the Croatian language or something else, because it's impossible. Because when I look at people, they are better than me, then I will be low than them. And that's why I never compare myself with other people.
Okay,
and
that's good. We have normally I speak French, and I learn French. It's because French is official language in our country. There is one proverb in French. I don't know how to say it in English, but it say la jalousie est nécessaire.
What does mean la jalousie is necessary?
Jealousy, you know jealousy?
No.
Jealousy, it's like when you have, for example, when you see someone and you feel not like, you don't like him. This is a jealousy, a hate.
Okay.
And the short meaning of this proverb, it means sometimes the hate is necessary. But the way I want to explain this is not the hate like hate, but for example, when we are doing for example, me, when I'm doing some stuff, of course I don't know to refer to someone, but for example, I have crush. You understand?
Yeah.
Crush. I have something that I like.
Yeah.
And I don't want to do the same like my crush, but I can see this is better. If I can manage to do this, it will be perfect.
Yeah, I think we have all of us have some crush, so it's like la vita è bella.
Yes. So today is Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a Christmas party in your country or in kurdski?
I mean, my family are Muslim. They don't celebrate the Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
But since I'm here in Croatia and I feel here like home, let's say,
Mm-hmm.
I celebrate with my friends all year, and today I was actually yesterday I was with my family,
Mm-hmm.
and we ate together, and today in the morning I said to my parents Happy Christmas, and to try to explain to them today in Croatia there is a Christmas, not only in Croatia, in the whole world there is a Christmas, and my family was very happy, and yeah. I mean, I hope that you are doing today well with your family, and by the way, Happy Christmas, sretan Boži svima.
Hvala puno I tebi također.
And do you have a Christmas in your country? I mean, which Catholic or which religion you are? I'm sorry if you don't like this question, Tom.
No, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I always like to share some stuff. Yeah, Burundi is a Catholic country, and I think we have a Muslim also. You are welcome in my country. You understand that you have your friend from Islam that you can have fun and share religion something. It's okay. My country has everything religion, and we don't have like, for example, problem about religion. And yeah, I think now it's very hot in my country because they like to celebrate Christmas, and also they like to celebrate New Year. But the way I saw in Croatia
Mm-hmm.
and Burundi, it's a little bit different, because in my country, of course, we celebrate Christmas, but it's like Christmas is for kids.
Mm-hmm.
Many people, they are shopping something, they take kids outside, and New Year is very, very popular. Everyone want to do some stuff. They are celebrating. They are very happy to finish here. Everyone is wishing a friend, a family. I'm happy to see you at the end of this year.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, maybe it's because of war and something, and because people they are not expecting to finish here, you understand. So if we had this favor to finish here, for example, when I was in my country, every day on 31 night, we go to some religion people, they will spend the whole night in
Mm-hmm.
church. Some people, they will spend, if there is a security, there is no security, they can go in nightclub and dance. And 11, they will be outside to see how the time is changing, everything, and that is how we are celebrating. But here I saw many people, they don't celebrate New Year, but they celebrate more Christmas.
Yes, I agree with you, but what do you mean exactly with securities? They are going to club, and can you explain more better about this?
Okay. It's like my country, we didn't had enough security maybe from 20 years ago because of too much stuff. I cannot say this on here, but sometimes they choose to cross everything, every party on New Year, because we have some people from outside of the country who like rebels, who like to throw bombs or something, or who like to attack people. So it's not every day that we are celebrating this. Even me, when I was in my country 2015, I don't remember before even that time when I went to celebrate. But when I was kid, it was like this the way I was saying. So my country, it doesn't have a security anymore.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I'm here.
Okay, nice. Welcome down to Croatia. Dobrodošao u Hrvatsku.
Hvala, puno. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. So now you say that you are celebrating Christmas with Croatian.
Yeah.
Did you convert into Catholic or something, or you still Muslim, Islam, but you are joining friend like this?
I will not talk about religion. And I think it's my private thing, so...
Yeah, that's good. You say the one thing that, for example, your parents are new in this Christmas party. They don't know about it because they were they are also Muslim, and that is good. And I was happy because it's long time I don't stay with parent. I don't see parent, and I am seeing you are living alone, you are trying to live your life here. Is it easy for you at your age to manage to live yourself in this country?
Okay, I mean, kad sam došao u Hrvatsku imao sam 19 godina i tad mi je bilo onako jako teško naravno, ali sa vremenom skužio sam da moram preuzeti te odgovornosti, jer ako ja to ne preuzimam, onda niko drugo neće to preuzeti za mene. Mislim, nije lako živjeti sam, jer imam jako puno obaveza i jako puno moram razmisliti kako ću financirati ovaj mjesto gdje živim, jer također zapravo idem u školu, pa moram to isto financirati. Tumač stvari radim na 100 strane, ali sa druge strane, mislim, to je za mene... ne znam kako bi rekao, za mene to je gušt. Zapravo, znaš kaj, riječ gušt na kurdskom jeziku znači meso. Gušt, da. Do you know what does mean gušt in Croatia?
No, I don't know.
Okay, the gušt in Croatia, for example, okay, I will make it easier because I don't know how to explain the exact translation. Yeah. It's mean like, for example, you were at party and you are coming to your friends. The party was great, amazing. You will say, party je bilo gušt. Ili ne znam. Bilo je zabavno. It was very like...
very... good.
Very excited. I don't know how to say in English.
I understand the context. The party was very...
It
good.
Was over than good.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of Kurdish words similar to Croatia, and there's a lot of words that they are not similar, but they are sounding the same pronunciation, the same izgovor. Na primjer, ima jedan riječ koji mi sada trenutno padne na pamet, sir, a na kurdskom to znači šešnjak.
Sir honey.
Sir, on Croatian it's mean like cheese.
Kako?
Cheese.
Kako se zove honey?
Na hrvatskom med je honey.
Med, prosto. Još uvijek učim nešto.
Uglavnom, sir na kurdskom znači češnjak. Sir on Kurdish is meaning like garlic, but in Croatia it's mean like cheese. And every time when I want to buy češnjak, I'm always confusing between the sir and Češnjak in Croatia,
Yeah,
because I like really very much Češnjak or garlic, and also sir, kak se zove, cheese.
Okay.
I to mi je isto fino, tak da.
For me, what is easy is that, for example, when I'm going to market,
Yeah.
I took everything that I see, and I don't need to ask someone what is this. Sometimes I can buy some stuff. When I get home, I found they are not the real one I need. But this is the things that everyone who is new in the country, you have to accept some loss.
But yeah,
Yeah.
So many reasons.
How can we learn language fast?
But okay, there is a lot of methods to learn the language very faster. But my way how to learn any language is talk without any stopping. Even if you are making a mistake, the people of course will understand you. So when I know talk in English, I know I'm doing always mistakes because English is not my native language, and that's why I will of course do a mistake. That's why my recommendation to the people who want to learn Croatian or another language, or even for you of course, if you would like to learn some foreigners language, so only talk, because if you don't do the mistake, you will never learn the language. Ako ne pogriješiš, nikada nećeš naučiti taj jezik, pa zbog toga moraš pogriješiti da bih mogao naučiti. I većinom se connect with the local people. It's very important. Sometimes it can be really very hard because some people are ashamed go and talk with local people because of their pronunciation, or I don't know, they are from different countries and they are afraid that they will not be accepted. But you have to go ahead, so you have to show yourself. We are not all the same and we are all different, so yeah, you have just to find a way.
You have to try.
Exactly,
Yes,
try to find something that you can show yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I saw some people, they want to put themselves to the side, and this is not good, because when you are living to the country which is not yours, first you need to put your fear away, and you need to show people that you want to join them. Of course, not for bad things, but for example, if someone is inviting you in park, in party, barbecue, to learn, also to school, because some people, they think, okay, I don't know, because we are, for example, I'm from Burundi. I never saw people who are learning language, not at school, the meaning, you understand meaning, the meaning school and or university, but they are learning, for example, Kirundi with people like this. There are some people, but they are not going to school, they are learning by talking. But here, because it's a new country for us, that's why they open a lot of organization like Pokazi, like Are You Serious, like Borders Known, GLS, CMS. So they did this because they see a lot of people around the Zagreb who don't speak Croatian language, and they are facing a lot of problem because of that. For example, I had a job, and this job, the main obligation was Croatian language.
Yeah.
And immediately I remove myself. I get a second job. They said, okay, you can use English, but also it's if you have basic Croatia.
Yeah.
At that time, because it was last year, I was still learning too much, but I couldn't even talk 1 minute.
Yeah.
So, mislim je bolje pokušati.
Naravno, pokušati biti
Da.
naporan i uporan uvijek. Da.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Jan. I think you are the best in. When I used to see, for example, young people like you, they are lazy, they are losing time in like unnecessary things, but you are like a full man, you can manage your life, and that is good in your future because yeah, you will show your power in future, your enough power in future.
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy to be your guest and to be the first one in podcast. I hope today you will enjoy with your family, or you have enjoyed with your family, because we will share this podcast later, not in Božić, in another time. So we
Yeah.
wish you from now Happy New Year, and
Yes.
ostanete lijepi i dobri kako jeste, i sretan Nova godina i Božić naravno.
Hvala puno, Mr. Jane. Mislim će biti jako zabava zbog uvijek kažem moja žena ili moja prijatelj da idem u školu, ali nikad nisu slušali mi kada govorim hrvatski jezik, ali danas je moja mjesto, moja put, moja time.
Tvoje vrijeme.
Aha, danas je moje vrijeme za pokazati koje je
pričaš hrvatski.
moja snaga u hrvatskom jeziku. Uglavnom ja sam jako sretna govoriti hrvatski jezik.
Pa drago mi je. A vidimo se u drugom epizodu i bok.
Bok.